we often forget how much unites all the members of humanity. Perhaps we need some outside universal threat to make us recognize this common bound. I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world. And yet, I ask you, is not an alien force already among us? What could be more alien to the universal aspirations of our peoples than war and the threat of war?
Major problems should leave a clue. If all the engines failed, the pilot can still potentially glide for around 80 or 90 miles, giving them time to radio in a mayday call, and you'd see the descent on the radar. The lack of an emergency call also suggests it wasn't a hijacking. Pilots can enter special emergency codes if someone's trying to break into the locked flight deck. A sudden loss of pressure because of a window blowing out, for example, means the crew will dive to lose altitude, but the aircraft shouldn't disintegrate. The fact it just dropped off the radar suggests a sudden, catastrophic breakup in midair, but they won't know why until they find the aircraft, and time's against them.
What could be more alien to the universal aspirations of our peoples than war and the threat of war? Than war and the threat of war.
Opposite direction. It was too fast to be an airplane. There's nothing on the radars on the other centers at all on that particular area, that object that's up in the air? It's up in the air? Affirmative. What's the altitude about?